Here's a song that we wrote that if you have kids or if you've ever been in a relationship with anybody, you'll relate to. And it goes exactly like this. 1, 2.